You got to understand, boys, that your clothing can make you more attractive. If you're trying to figure out how to become more appealing, it starts with your clothes. And today, these are the 7 pieces you need to have to make you attractive overnight. Starting with number 1, a suit. A suit, it's like your coat of arms, bro. If you have a good suit, it has the power to make any man more attractive, and most of you aren't taking advantage of it. Most of you don't even have one in your wardrobe, and you have to understand that a suit is the most practical piece you can have. You want to know why it's practical? Not only can you break it up, so a suit you shouldn't only wear to a wedding, to a funeral, no. You can wear a suit in almost every day of your life if you break it up. The trousers, the jacket, the dress shirt, wear it in different forms. And here's the thing, it's also practical because it's going to force you to be the best dressed person in every situation in your life. 2, the white dress shirt. I kind of mentioned it with the suit, but the white dress shirt, it goes hand in hand with the suit. When you buy yourself a good suit, the first shirt you should buy is a white button down, a crispy white button down. It has the status symbol of making you look like the man, and on top of that, it's the most versatile one. You can wear it with the suit. You could also just roll up the sleeves and wear it with some pair of jeans. You could also just wear it with the trousers. A white dress shirt is a powerhouse when it comes to functionality. You could layer a cardigan over it. You could put a sweater over it. It's the best piece to, again, force yourself to dress better. 3, thick acetate frames. Look, I learned this trick from Tom Ford. If you look at a lot of Tom Ford's frames, he purposely makes them thick framed with a lot of acetate. And what that does is 2 things. 1, it structures your face more. So because it's larger, you're hiding more imperfections and adding more symmetry to your face. But number 2, it makes you look more masculine. That thick frame adds like visual heft to your face. It's ultra attractive. It's like a secret move. I would say maybe 1% of the population knows. And now you do, because I'm telling you. That's why, boys, if you need a solid pair of frames, don't go to Tom Ford. They're going to cost you like $1,000. Go to Jade Black, bro. I'm going to cost you like 50, 60 bucks, right? And I'm using the best acetate in the world. Handmade Mazzucchelli, straight from Italy. We're also using blue light blocking technology if you use blue lights. We also have polarized lenses. I'm talking the best of the best. And you're not even going to spend over 50 bucks. And here's the best part. If you guys click the link down below, I'm going to do the work for you. I bundled up 3 pairs of glasses from our collection that have the thickest frames. The Toms, the Gerards, and the Commanders, which are the ones that I have on now. I love the Commanders because they're classic. So like these will never go out of style. The other 2 are amazing. They have a super thick frame. If you buy all those 3 in a bundle today, I'm going to give you 30% off. If you guys want to check it out. Click that link down below. 4, gray sweatpants. Boys, I'm telling you, man, gray sweatpants are our superpower. It is fall season. If you don't have a good pair of sweatpants, and I'm talking about the ones that fit just right in all the right areas, and the areas that make you a thirst trap, you're missing out. You're missing out, bro. These are a powerhouse. You look athletic. They're ultra comfortable, bro. And more importantly, you will become a total sexual appeal. The same way you'll be looking at girls, checking them out, they're gonna start checking you out. It's a guarantee if they fit right. And by fitting right, I'm talking about the hip area. This area from the crotch to the hip, it needs to be fitted. And then below that, you want it to be loose. So it's not skin tight like joggers, but instead a loose, comfortable fit. That combination of the 2, forget about it. 5, the black hoodie. You have to understand, boys, that even casual wear like black hoodie can elevate your outfits, and more importantly, it's versatile. But the best thing about a black hoodie, it's the idea that it's the boyfriend sweater, right? It's the sweater that she wants to steal from you. So if it fits right, it's nice and comfortable. You always smell right because you have the right fragrances because you listen to your boy. That's gonna be the fragrance. That's gonna be the piece that when she's starting to talk to you, she's already thinking, yo, I want to take that sweater. I want to be in his arms. I'm telling you, man, this takes you to number 5, the black t-shirt. I don't know what it is, but the black t-shirt is almost as powerful as the white dress shirt, where a black tee is ultra casual if you think about it. It's super simple. But if it fits right, you pair that with a pair of slacks, you look like $1 million. You look dressed up. And what I love about a black tee is take those slacks, put on jeans and some white sneakers, bro, you look good. The black t-shirt has the power to not only be able to be dressed up, but also the power to make you as a man look more athletic. You look more fit. Your arms look bigger. Bro, what's there not to love about the black t-shirt? Number 7, a good necklace. Look, it's fall season. There's also a blizzard happening right now across all of America, so you probably won't be showing too much neckline, but it's not always gonna be fall season, boys. And when you start showing a little bit of cleavage, the best thing you can do is wear a necklace to draw attention to that and also define your chest even more. See, even if you have a little bit of chest definition, you put on a necklace, it's gonna fall right in between the pectorals, the ones you've been working out at the gym, right? When you do that, you're bringing in all that sexual attention right to your chest. And yes, boys, it will elevate how you look, and you will also look more stylish. So it's a win-win.